Coriolis Force. The Coriolis effect is the force generated by the rotational motion of the Earth in space. It diverts trajectory of objects moving on the Earth's surface either to the right if they are in the northern hemisphere or the left if they are in the southern hemisphere. This is why the hurricanes that hit North America spin in a counterclockwise motion. Biting winds. Biting winds are extremely cold and harsh winds. When one's flesh is exposed to the wind, it feels like being bitten by an animal. Subzero Salvo. Sub-zero is used to define any temperature below zero on both the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales. A salvo is the simultaneous discharge of artillery or other guns. High albedo. Albedo is the measure of how much solar radiation is reflected off of an object. Something considered high albedo is going to reflect a lot of solar radiation and be very shiny. Bonechiller is a colloquial term for extreme cold or extreme fright, used to describe extreme discomfort felt to the core of one's being. Hailing confusion. Hail is precipitation in the form of ice pellets larger than 5 millimeters. For those who have never experienced hail, it is like rain, but all the raindrops are frozen, with a few recorded cases of hail reaching the size of footballs. Arctic haze is the phenomena of visible reddish-brown springtime haze in the atmosphere at high latitudes in the Arctic due to anthropogenic air pollution. A major distinguishing factor of Arctic haze is the ability of its chemical ingredients to persist in the atmosphere for significantly longer than other pollutants. Due to the limited amounts of snow, rain, and other turbulent air to displace pollutants from the air in spring, the Arctic haze can linger for more than a month in the northern hemisphere. Thermal erosion. Thermal erosion is the result of weakening and melting permafrost due to moving water. This will cause some rivers in the northern hemisphere to carve out and travel different channels every year.